Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our topic, Service Catalog in ServiceNow. We'll explore how this powerful tool can enhance self-service options and streamline automation processes. In this presentation, we'll cover the key features, benefits, and best practices for leveraging the Service Catalog effectively. So, let's dive in and see how this can transform our service delivery. In ServiceNow, the Service Catalog is essentially a self-service portal that users can access to browse and request a variety of services and products offered by their organization. It serves as a user-friendly interface, making it easy for end users to find what they need without complicated processes. Think of it like an online shopping experience. Users can quickly see what's available, select what they want, and submit their requests seamlessly. This approach not only enhances the user experience, but also significantly streamlines how services are ordered and fulfilled within the organization. By integrating the service catalog into our overall service management, we make it more efficient and accessible for everyone involved. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make this system so powerful. First, we have a searchable interface for services, which means users can quickly find what they need without sifting through endless options. This saves time and improves efficiency. Next, we offer custom forms for each request, allowing us to tailor the information collected to fit different processes or departments. This flexibility helps ensure we gather all the necessary details up front. Workflow integration is another crucial aspect. It connects different steps seamlessly, so requests move smoothly from initiation to completion without unnecessary delays. Along with that, we have automated approval and fulfillment processes. This automation reduces manual work and speeds up response times, making the entire experience more streamlined for everyone involved. Role-based access is also key. It ensures that only authorized users can view or modify sensitive information, maintaining security and control across the system. Finally, request tracking and history allow both users and administrators to monitor the status of requests and review past activity. This transparency helps us identify bottlenecks and improve our overall service delivery. All of these features come together to support a more efficient, secure, and user-friendly process, which is at the heart of our overall goal to enhance operational efficiency. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of using a service catalog. First, it significantly improves end-user satisfaction by providing easy access to the services they need. When users can quickly find and request what they want, it creates a smoother experience. Next, it reduces the workload on IT teams through automation. By automating routine requests and processes, IT staff can focus on more strategic tasks rather than getting bogged down in repetitive work. It also streamlines request fulfillment and approval processes. This means that requests move faster through the system, reducing delays and making sure users get what they need in a timely manner. Another key benefit is that it enhances service visibility and accountability. Everyone involved can see the status of requests, which promotes transparency and responsibility across the organization. Finally, a service catalog helps in tracking the entire lifecycle of a service request, from initial submission to completion. This ongoing tracking allows for better management and continuous improvement of our services. Overall, these benefits tie into our goal of creating a more efficient, transparent, and user-focused service environment. So let's talk about what a catalog item is in ServiceNow. Essentially, catalog items are the building blocks of the service catalog. They define what services or products are available for users to request. Think of them as the individual options you see when you browse through a company's service offerings. For example, common catalog items might include requesting a new laptop, which many employees might need, or software installation, granting access to a specific application, or even handling a new employee onboarding process. These are tangible, requestable services that help streamline how users interact with it and other departments. Understanding catalog items is key because they form the foundation of the entire service catalog. They help us organize and present the available services clearly and efficiently, making it easier for users to find what they need and for it to manage requests effectively. This concept ties directly into the overall goal of ServiceNow, to improve service delivery and enhance user experience. Now, let's walk through the key steps on how to create a catalog item. First, you need to create a catalog or use an existing one. If you already have a catalog set up, you can skip this step and move directly to selecting the appropriate catalog. Next, you need to create a category for your item, or if suitable, you can choose an existing category. This helps organize your items and makes them easier to find later on. Finally, creating the catalog item itself can be done in different tables depending on the type of item you're adding. For example, you might create hardware items in the PC hardware cat item table, software in the PC software cat item table, or general items in the main catalog item table. All these items will then be accessible under the Maintain Items section, giving you a centralized way to manage them. The key takeaway here is that the process is flexible and modular, allowing you to tailor it depending on the specific type of item you're adding. This approach supports a well-structured and efficient catalog management system, which ties into our overall goal of streamlining service delivery and inventory control. Let's take a closer look at the service catalog workflow diagram. This diagram illustrates how our service requests flow through different stages, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. You'll notice it starts with the initial request, where users identify the service they need. From there, the request moves into the approval phase, which helps us maintain control and prioritize effectively. Once approved, the request progresses to fulfillment, where the actual service is delivered. Throughout this process, there are checkpoints for communication and updates, keeping everyone informed. Understanding this workflow is essential because it highlights how we streamline service delivery, reduce delays, and improve user satisfaction. It ties back to our overall goal of creating a transparent, efficient service management system that supports our organization's needs. Let's take a closer look at how our system is integrated with key components like the CMDB, incident, change, and knowledge bases. This integration means that all these elements work seamlessly together, providing a unified view and better data consistency across your IT environment. We also offer custom scripting and workflows, which allow you to tailor processes specifically to your organization's needs. This flexibility helps automate routine tasks and streamline complex procedures, making your team more efficient. SLA tracking for requests is another crucial feature. It ensures that you can monitor service-level agreements in real time, helping you meet commitments and improve customer satisfaction. All these capabilities are part of our real-time integration approach. This means data is constantly updated and synchronized across systems, enabling faster decision-making and more accurate insights. In essence, this slide highlights how our platform brings together various IT service management components into a cohesive, automated, and real-time environment, empowering your team to deliver better service and drive continuous improvement. Service Catalog empowers users to self-serve, which is a game changer because it significantly reduces their dependency on IT staff. When users can handle common requests on their own, it not only boosts their satisfaction and sense of autonomy, but also helps teams focus on more complex issues. At the same time, the catalog enhances overall efficiency through automation. By streamlining request fulfillment, we cut down on processing times, making sure users get what they need faster. Automation also takes care of approvals and task assignments, so everything moves smoothly without manual intervention. Now, in the context of IT service management within ServiceNow, the Service Catalog plays a vital role. It integrates seamlessly with incident, change, and asset management modules, ensuring that all service requests are connected to the broader ITSM ecosystem. This integration provides a standardized way to deliver services, which improves consistency, quality, and transparency across the board. Overall, the service catalog is central to creating a more agile, user-friendly, and efficient IT environment. It aligns perfectly with our goal of delivering better services faster, while empowering users and streamlining operations. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I really appreciate everyone being here and engaging with the material. Remember, the key takeaways from this presentation are about understanding how these concepts tie into the bigger picture of our work and our goals. It's all about applying these insights to make a real difference. So, thank you again for your interest and participation. I look forward to seeing how you'll implement these ideas moving forward. Thanks.